Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. So in today's topic, we are exploring a unique capability of ChatGPT, an advanced AI developed by OpenAI. And did you know that ChatGPT can assist you in summarizing entire books into concise and digestible formats? Yeah, so this is incredibly useful for students, professionals, and anyone looking for to quickly grasp the essence of a book. Okay, so we will be using ChatGPT, okay, as usual. And today we are putting ChatGPT to the test with Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, so you might have known this book. It's a famous book, right? And means written by Robert Kiyosaki, focusing on a key lesson like work to learn and don't work for money. So we will see, like with the ChatGPT, how it is helping us to understand this powerful concept. Okay.
Hey Aditya, I'm working in this office since the last 5 years and you just recently joined and you have a salary 5 times as me. How is that possible, man?
It is because I'm using AI tools and ChatGPT to automate my work and I'm working 10 times as compared to you. That's why I'm getting paid 5 times as compared to you.
That is super, man. Can you please teach me the same so that I can grow my salary as well?
Absolutely, I can.
So I have attached this Rich Dad Poor Dad, okay, that book PDF just for illustration purpose. Okay, so you can use your own. Okay, this is for example purpose I have given. When you are working in your stream, you can use your own requirement. Okay, so I'll be giving the I will give you the prompt like details. Details attached above. Explain what this about and who are the target audience, right? We should know. Who are the target audience? And let's ask what are the chapters, okay? And we can ask like what are the suggestions or advice it is giving to us, okay? So give suggestion what this book is giving. Let's we'll make like this, okay? It's an advice to the public, okay? So it's working. By the meantime, guys, okay, so it's an important update. As you all aware that AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI. And you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detailed in our Be10x program. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so this will be the link be10x.in. Okay, so you can see what are the upcoming workshops like AI tools workshop and office hacks, Power BI. So you can register by clicking here. So it will take to different page. You will come to know when will be the next workshop and the testimonials and why to join this course and all details are here. Okay, so don't miss this workshop, guys. Let's go back. 0. Let's get let's reading. Let's see what it is giving the details. Yes, so it's giving say Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a book that delves into the differences in the mindset and financial strategies between the rich and the less wealthy. Okay. So the target audience of this book is quite broad, essentially encompassing anyone interested in understanding and improving their financial intelligence, okay, wealth building strategies, and overall financial situation. Okay. So you can see, right, the rich don't work for money. Okay. And why teach financial literacy? Okay. Let's take this. Okay. This is the book. Okay. And if you look into the chapters, okay, so let's see. Okay, so here is the topic, right? The rich don't work for money. Yes, lesson one. Yes. Why teach financial literacy? Here also same. Okay, so it's giving each and every part, right? So this part emphasizes the importance of financial education and literacy as a tool for wealth building, right? We are all working for health and wealth, right? So definitely this book is essential. Okay, and means as a like in your free time we can read, and overcoming obstacles, getting started, the rich invent money. Okay, so if you want to know, right, for example, the sixth chapter, right, work to learn, don't work for money, right? This is important, right? Only if we learn, then only we can earn. So we'll ask, okay, explain explain more about the sixth chapter 6, chapter 6. As what this book tells in detail. Okay, so we are asking especially this chapter 6, because these chapters it has given a brief info, right? Okay, explain more about. Okay, now we are asking. Yeah, let's see. Sometimes some minor issues may happen because don't work for money emphasizes the importance of acquiring skills and knowledge over simply earning a paycheck. This chapter conveys the idea that one should prioritize learning and personal development in their career choices rather than just immediate financial gains. Okay, that is important for anyone, right? So begins with the reflection of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. Okay, and it has given all the details, right? In advocates for a shift in perspective from working just for money to working for the purpose of learning and gaining skills. Okay, so this is essential, right? Anything which ultimately leads to greater financial independence and success. Okay, so this is the way, guys, like how, see, within a fraction of second we can get what are the details about it. Okay, so in case like in tomorrow in your work situation, suddenly you get, yes, this type of document where you want to explain brief about that document to the client or to your subordinates, anyone. So these type of things can help you. Okay, so now you come to know what is the blind idea about this book, and you can make your own flavor, right, later. Like you can give your idea suggestions at the right, like you can take your time later and you can get it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this session, guys. Okay, take care. Bye bye.